It's giving Diana Ross. Like, it's giving diva, superstar. You want my autograph? Like, it's giving that, okay? What's up, Candy Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today, y'all, I am trying a curly V-Part wig thanks to Nadula Hair. So, as y'all know, I mean, it's no big secret. I made videos about it. I have turned into a straight hair natural, and so because of that, I have heat damage. I made a video about it. Y'all seen it. Y'all know what my hair looks like. All of my curls, the curls that I used to have, the curls with the girls, are gone, honey. So yes, I have heat damage hair, but sometimes I do still get the itch for having, you know, the big voluminous curls, the naturally curly hair. But I don't want to have to deal with it now. I'm still on there. I don't want to have to deal with it every day, but I just want the look sometimes. And if I can get that look with this wig, honey, we on to something, okay? We on to something. Okay, so this is the wig right here. It is a beginner-friendly V-Part wig in the style Jerry Curly, you know, like a Jerry curl or whatever. So yeah, it is Jerry Curly, and it is 150% density, and I have the 24 inches. You see? She long, honey, she long. But I got it long because, you know, I want to cut it, trim it, layer it, do whatever, but yeah. So this is her right here. Look at the curls. Can y'all see that? This is some beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous hair for a gorgeous, gorgeous girl like me. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls need gorgeous, gorgeous wigs. So y'all, I hope I can do this wig justice. I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, let's just go ahead. Like, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's just go ahead and just jump right in. They said it was beginner friendly, and I am a beginner. So we're gonna see. So I see, because it is a V-part, it does have 4 clips at the V-part, and then it has 3 combs in the back, 1, 2, and then the third one right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but trust me, it's there. I'm not lying to you, it's there. So let me see if I can put this on my head. I don't know how to cornrow or anything like that, so I just put my hair into you know, six little dookie braids, and then I, like, you know, just pin it to the back of my head, put it in points on the back of my head, and then I got this part left out for my leave out, just a little bit. Like, my hair is long, but it's not that much, you know, leave out. So yeah. Oh, let me put a clip so I can pin my ponytail up. Hold on. So let me just pin up my little ponytail braid real quick. Okay, now we can put the wig on. I'm gonna start with this side first. Put the clip in. And going to the other side. Alright, so I got it clamped on there. Now let me just pull the rest of this down. Oh no, not the comb sliding. Hold up, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like, just plopped on my head, just straight, you know, out the package onto my head. She's a cute girl. Nadula did a good job, but it's just a little bit too, like, perfect. Like, you know, when you get in a wig, everything is just so tight, I guess. I don't know if that's the word, but I want a little frizz. I want it to be a little bigger. So before I do anything to my leave out that just flew in my face, I am going to, you know, just finger comb this, see if I can get it, you know, bigger, like, I don't know, like more natural looking. Like, this is actually my hair. So I got some Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. You can see it. I'm just gonna put a little bit, well, I don't know if you call it a little bit, but whatever it is, I put it on my hand. I'm just gonna try to finger comb this through. See if I can get it, you know, a little bit bigger, maybe a little messier or something. It's a little bit too, it's too perfect right now. Okay, so this side is fluff, this side is not. You see the difference? Like, I don't know, this side just is giving more. I've had a little bit of shedding, not too much. Let me see. Okay, show y'all. So this is how much shedding I had from finger combing it right there. So yeah, not too bad, just a little bit. Just from this side. So now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Oops. Okay, so that's better. I like this better. Yes, it's giving more. It's giving Diana Ross. Like, it's giving diva, superstar. You want my autograph? Like, it's giving that, okay? Again, just a little bit of shedding from, you know, finger combing it, but not too bad. Okay, so to blend my hair, I am using this Red Kiss ceramic tourmaline, whatever curler, and it is supposed to be for like natural looking curls. I did not come up with this by myself. Y'all know I am a beginner to wigs, so I did look at what's her name, Always Amira. She did a review on this wig as well, and this is how she blended it. So I'm getting this from that because she knew what she was doing. So yeah, I'm about to try this out. So I have it right here. It is, what's the barrel on this? Yeah, how you say, is that 3/8 of an inch? What is it? Okay, anyway. So here it is right here. Let me go ahead and cut it on. Let's see, it goes up to 450. I'm gonna start at 350. You know what? I was just sitting here thinking, like, I was like, I know I'm gonna cut this. But I'm sitting here like, maybe I should go ahead and cut this wig before I curl my hair so I don't accidentally cut my hair too. That would be smart. I feel like that would be the best thing to do. Let me go ahead and cut this real quick before I take the scissors to my own hair on accident. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and cut this because as you can see, this is a lot of hair, especially once you, like, you know, finger comb it and it gets bigger. This is a lot. Y'all see all this? This is a lot. This is a lot of hair. And it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, but it's just too much for me, especially, you know, it's about to get hot. I live in Georgia. Baby, it's about to be too hot to have all this hair on my head. I'm trying to show y'all the back. So yeah, without cutting it, it's coming like past my waist. And that is just too much hair for me. But like I said, I got it long because I did want to cut it and shape it how I wanted to. So I figured, get the longest one, cut it to the length I actually want it. I'll be good. Now, I am not a hairstylist. I don't know how to cut hair. I didn't go to school for cutting hair, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just looking and cutting and snipping. Okay? That's all I'm doing. Okay, so I cut this side. I tried to have it lay in my face a little bit. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just looking and snipping, and this is what I got. And I like it. It's, you know, it's a little shorter, not too much. But yeah, I like it. I feel like I can get away with it more, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, so let me just cut this side. I had to switch my scissors because them little cheap hair scissors I got from Walgreens wasn't doing nothing. I had to give me some real scissors because the other one, hair was getting caught in it. I couldn't even glide down the hair right. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side and then I'll be back. Alright, so now both sides are cut. Now that I'm looking at it, this side is a little bit longer, but it'll be alright. My real hair is cut like that. I got one side that's like this and the other side like that, so it'll be alright. So now let's get to the blending part and see if I can do as good as the other girl did, because she made it seem so easy. Okay, so she did it like she did it like wand curls, you know, like just wrapping the hair around. See, I hope this don't come out too tight. Like, I don't know. My hair was way long. It's way longer than hers. I don't know if that makes a difference. Oh, y'all, that's pretty. Y'all see that? Hold up. That's a cute little curl. Does it go with the other curls though? Maybe like after a while, you know, and when you first curl your hair, like you gotta let it fall a little bit. Maybe like once it falls, because that seems a little tight, don't it? It needs to fall, son. And maybe I shouldn't do it like so close to the root. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And I'm not leaving my hair wrapped around there probably like 8 seconds. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. It's giving. Oh, you know what? That's what you're supposed to do. You get your hair, whatever you curl, right? And you like just kind of like twist it around the real pieces. I mean the wig pieces. So like this is my hair. This is my hair, this is the wig. This is the wig. And you just kind of like, you know, do a little few twists together. There you go. There we go. That's what it was supposed to be. All right, we on to something. Let me go on to the other side. Okay, so I had to go back and fix it because I wasn't taking the curler all the way to the root. Like I need to curl the whole thing from the root, and I was just like, I was leaving like this much straight and then curling it, and that didn't look right. So you need to be curled from all the way. So now I'm just going back and curling the roots of my hair, cause that wasn't looking right. And y'all ain't about to talk about me. Well, y'all might still will, but I'ma try. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Alright guys, so I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it. Yeah. I did a good job for my first time. I guess it is beginner friendly. Yeah, I was playing around at first. I don't know what I was thinking, talking about some having like an inch of straight hair and then trying to curl it. Nah, baby. Bring this roller hot curl. What is this called? Curling iron all the way to the root. Don't play yourself like I did, because I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, I'm really about to be out here with like 1-2 inches of straight hair, then a whole bunch of curls. I can't believe I can't believe that y'all was gonna let me do that. That's the real thing. That y'all sat there, y'all watched me, and y'all just gonna let me do that. But all right, I think I did a good job. Like that's all me. That's all my hair, my scalp. That's me. I kind of looking creepy right there. I don't know, but I feel like I did a good job. I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. Y'all, I am completely in love with this wig. I am in love with this hair. I love the hair texture. It's beautiful curls, beautiful hair. But it's, like I said, the Jerry curly is what they call it. And as you guys remember, I didn't even have that much leave out, you know? And I got a full head of hair. So yeah guys, if you want to go ahead and try this wig for yourself, I highly recommend that you do. It is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I will go ahead and put the link down there in the description box for this exact wig, the Jerry curl 24 inch. Like, I'll go ahead and link it all in there for you so you have it. Just click the link and you'll go to it, okay? So yeah, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. I wanna know everything about you.